In August 2023, 29 scientists from around the world gathered for 7 days of classroom presentations and hands-on activities for a workshop on the science of hibernation that provided a unique educational opportunity for graduate students and early career scientists interested in hibernation research. The workshop was hosted by the Center for Transformative Research and Metabolism in partnership with the Institute of Arctic Biology and the Toolik Field Station at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. Building on over 60 years of hibernation research by University of Alaska investigators, the instructors challenged participants to be curious about the extreme physiology of hibernating Alaskan mammals.
In general, I'm interested in how animals get through the long, cold, dark winters.
These animals are able to survive without food, water, or movement during the harsh, long winters of Alaska, and yet maintain their muscle tone and vitality for spring. What could we learn from hibernators that could be applied to humans and that would benefit treatment of disease, assist in emergency medicine, and even potentially contribute to space travel? Practical biomedical applications were just one focus of the workshop, in addition to sharing a variety of research around the metabolomic processes underlying hibernation.
The squirrels can do it super rapidly, within minutes, and bears more gradually. But it's a accommodation that in humans could be very relevant for emergency medicine.
Through hands-on activities, laboratory, and field visits, participants had the opportunity to experience the possibilities for studying hibernators. The workshop concluded with a 4-day field trip to the Toolik Field Station located above the Arctic Circle and Brooks Range in Alaska, in a location within the natural habitat of hibernators such as the Arctic ground squirrel. Learn more about upcoming opportunities in hibernation science at UAF by visiting the Transformative Research and Metabolism website at trimalaska.com.